Okay.
I can't.
You can't. You should say.
No, in the camera I should see. No.
Okay. You just think of a name. The name which you love. Not your lover's name. Okay.
20. Sorry.
Okay. Think of any other number between.
ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ವಾಕು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿ
Please. You're not supposed to open that, you stupid fellow.
ಅವನೊಂದು ರೀಸೆಟ್
Think of a number. 9 or 6. Okay. Done. Which was the number?
5.
9 or 6.
Oh, like that.
9 or 6. 5.
Sorry.
His brain is not braining.
I can't understand her language.
English.
Okay, I will.
We can't understand. You are underestimating the power of a chemistry lecturer, huh?
Then who are you then? You're my cousin.
I told you to think of a number, either 9 or 6. Which one?
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್
Done? What is the number? 9 or 6, bro?
Potato.
What she did a cheating?
What cheating? What cheating?
We can see.